Welcome to Fresh Talks. My name is Raquel. I am a tax lawyer here at Fresh Portugal. With me, I have my dear colleague Henrique Faria, also a tax lawyer here at Fresh. And today we will be talking to you a little bit about the recent changes and expected changes within the nationality law and the immigration framework in Portugal, and how that may affect golden visa holders, and even potentially how you can take your golden visa investment and leverage it into future tax benefits if and when you choose to move. As well, I want to address something that maybe a lot of the people watching are thinking, which is there have been potential announcements about the changes with the nationality law, with the way that immigration works in Portugal. How does this affect golden visa holders in Portugal? And more importantly, why should you hurry if you want to do it?
Sure, it's amazing question. We have our immigration department here applying for several golden visa process because our clients they are afraid of the changes. So we are suggesting them to apply as soon as possible to the golden visa because you can be
Grandfathered in.
grandfathering by the new law. So you're going to face the old legislation, for example, and you can enjoy the 5 years period to apply for residency. You can enjoy the amounts of the investment. Here in Portugal, the golden visa, you have several funds opportunity, right, to invest.
Right.
And the clients, they can expect returns on such investment, right?
It's not a donation. It's an
not.
actual investment. That's important to mention. It's something that I feel like our clients ask us as well. You do have sort of a donation option, right? And it's
Right.
even lower than the 500,000 of the fund option. But if you want to invest anyway, maybe go with the fund, have some return, and potentially use this to leverage into IFICI, right?
Sure. It's not very common, but we do know funds that you invest the 500,000, and whenever you decide to move to Portugal, become a tax resident, you can also trigger the access to apply for the IFICI, right? The new NHR.
Yeah, because the funds here work with startups. They have the connections, they are here. So, considering all the competition that you have with golden visa funds, and it's a rather competitive space, they have all the interest in the world to hear you out, to try to give you something more with their offering. And I mean, like you mentioned, there are not a lot of funds doing this, but the ones that we at least have gotten the pleasure to work alongside with are open to exploring the fact that people may want to come at some point and enjoy tax benefits. And why not have a win-win situation for everyone?
Sure. It's an amazing opportunity. Golden visa applications, you have a different profile of the client. The client don't want to move as soon as possible to Portugal. They want to wait a little bit, 1.5 years, 2 years to move to Portugal. But when they decided to move to Portugal, well, they want to experience the whole tax benefit, right? And they already invested 500,000 to the country. So why not to help these clients to have access of the new NHR that foreign source of income could be exempt here in Portugal. So we are helping the client, we are helping the Portuguese community because the fund will invest, as you said, in the local startups, which will give to the clients access to the IFICI application, help them to have to meet the criteria of the new NHR. So that's why Portugal still has an amazing opportunity for these clients who are willing to invest in the country and use the golden visa route.
Yeah, and to be honest, if you're going to invest and if you're thinking seriously about investing, of course we can't guarantee that you will be grandfathered in. No one can, and if they're promising you this, it's a risk to trust that. But there is a historic reason why we say this. So historically, Portugal has grandfathered previous applicants, as was the case with the original NHR. So it's pretty okay to expect some level of this working the same. And if you're going to invest, why not invest now and, I mean, have a higher chance of actually being able to get your passport after 5 years? One thing I can tell for sure, if changes are approved and then you submit your golden visa, then you won't be grandfathered in. So it's a matter of weighing in the risks, the opportunities, the situation that you have back home, obviously, the way that you want to protect your family for the future, and make smart decisions.
100% agree.